Hello, wonderful friends. Welcome back to another enlightening episode of Unveiling Buddhism. Buddha's life stories offer profound insights for the modern perspective, and today we embark on a captivating journey, exploring a tale brimming with valuable lessons. Come along as we unwrap the wisdom and experiences from the life of the Enlightened One. In the prosperous kingdom of Kapalivastu, Prince Siddhartha's life was seemingly perfect. His love for Princess Yashodhara created a tapestry of joy and contentment that enveloped them in the bliss of a perfect marriage. The royal couple, with their complementary temperaments, enjoyed the luxuries and happiness of palatial life. But time, relentless in its passage, brought change. 13 years of marital bliss transformed the young prince into a matured man of 29. Watching his son's dedication to Yashodhara, King Shuddhodana gained confidence that Siddhartha was secured to a secular life. As King Shuddhodana's confidence in Siddhartha's secular commitment grew, he sought to involve his son more in the affairs of the kingdom. Therefore, Siddhartha began to increase his attendance at royal council meetings. Prince Siddhartha, now exposed to the happenings beyond the palace walls, became curious about the kingdom he would one day rule. He approached his father, expressing the desire to tour the Shakyan kingdom, arguing that a king must know his realm intimately. Although King Shuddhodana granted Siddhartha's request, he harbored concerns about the ancient prophecy. To protect his son, he decreed that Siddhartha's tour be treated as a royal inspection, meticulously planned and guarded. The prince would witness only the affluent neighborhood of Kapalivastu, shielded from anything unsightly. On the day of the inspection, the streets were adorned with festivities, and the affluent households celebrated the prince's presence. However, no plan is foolproof, and an unexpected event begins to unfold. Amidst the revelry, one family overlooked their senile grandfather, who, like a child, sneaked out to play with dirt in the garden, oblivious to his surroundings and personal modesty. The sight shocked Prince Siddhartha, who questioned his loyal charioteer Channa.
Channa, why is that man like that? His body seems bent and broken. He is unaware of modesty and playing with dirt.
My lord, old age has taken its toll. His mind has aged, and he no longer knows what he is doing.
Siddhartha, disturbed by this revelation, confronted the harsh reality of aging.
Channa, do you mean I can become like that one day? Even my father?
My lord, old age spares no one. It affects everything: our appearance, physique, and even our minds. It is a common fate we all share.
The prince, unable to reconcile with the inevitability of aging, ordered Channa to return to the palace. King Shuddhodana, learning of Siddhartha's distress, attempted to double the guards and entertainment, hoping to distract his son again. Unbeknownst to the king, Siddhartha had already experienced all the pleasures the world could offer and could no longer be easily swayed. Aging, the common destiny we all share, regardless of our wealth or position in society. But have you ever stopped to think about it? Or are you more of a color your hair and forget about it kind of person? Most young people don't contemplate aging. They're too busy living in the now, and who can blame them? But here's the thing. One of the most common things that afflict the elderly is regret. If only I had given myself a second chance. If only I had been brave enough to forgive. Aha, that what ifs that come with the passage of time. If we take a moment to listen to these regrets, we might just learn to seize the day and treasure every opportunity. But let's be honest, not everyone likes to hang around with the elderly, right? Well, maybe it's time we reconsider that. And then there's our bodies, the record keepers of all the junk food, lazy days, and forgotten gym memberships. Our bodies tell the truth about every abuse we put them through. So maybe it's time to take that hint and treat them a little better. The art of aging starts when we are young. Face reality, take care of our body, and of course, don't forget about our mental health. Meditation isn't just for monks, nuns, hermits, or spiritual people on mountaintops. It's a tool for healthy aging. Embrace it, and we might just retain those precious memories and control our emotions as the years go by. So accept reality, be mentally prepared, and aging becomes a natural process to be appreciated, not feared. Even the most powerful or wealthy can't escape aging. By being mentally prepared, we reduce the chances of stress, anxiety, and depression. And speaking of wisdom, have you ever wondered how Buddha approached aging? Well, stay tuned for future episodes where we delve into the life and teachings of the Enlightened One. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey with Unveiling Buddhism. If you found the insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and share with others. After all, sharing is caring. Stay tuned for more enlightening episodes. Until then, may you be well and happy.